Hi, Trader Pains here, Trading Pains. This is Gummy. I am gonna do some back testing today, just because the trade I had this morning, PPI. If you haven't seen it, my live stream's right, the recording's there. But yeah, it was a day of a lot of fear, a lot of doubt, and so I decided to just, back test until I feel a little more confident. And so this is one of the trades that I did earlier, and I'm just journaling it. I'm using TradeZella. The replay feature in this is amazing. Doesn't lag whatsoever. Like I absolutely love it, and the fact that you can journal your trades right here, it's pretty amazing. And so I'm just gonna put a picture here, just keeping track of when I was doing this trade. TradeZella, October 8th, 2024. This is a Tuesday. And here we have it looking like it's coming off of, well, I was looking over here, we had equal highs, which is also previous Asian session high. So I'm going to put equal highs and Asia high. Like that. Cool. Target. Going down to the 5 minute quick to see what I use. Shortcut works here. So for the strategy, you gotta have a hard time frame PD array, and the 5 minute works just as good for that. So I'll just put that in here. October 8, 24. Tuesday with the 5 minute higher time frame FEG. There you go. Let's do that. And then we entered on the 1 minute. Break a structure. There was SMT with ES. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Tapped into fair value gap, but we actually used the 1 minute to enter this trade. So break a structure, enter target for equal highs. So 1 minute we got in at this time. Realistically, I would say right here is when we got in. 10:37 if I were to place a limit order. Okay, 10:37 right there. So 10:37 a.m. And we also have SMT, target equal high slash Asia high. Beautiful trade. Amazing. Alright, so let me show you guys how I use this now that we got that journaled. And I need to take a picture of that. Boom, 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 boom. Just do it like so. Okay. Take a picture, copy, and you can actually paste it into here. Isn't that amazing? Alright, so my goal here is to do this strategy 100 times. So this is my 9th trade. Okay, so right now that's the AM session. Let's move on to the next AM session, Wednesday. And my time zone here is actually 7:30 for the opening time. And so we're gonna go to, oh wait, one more thing before I go. Jumping on the time here. Oh. Go back. I want to take note that this happened. This trade was also during, I don't know, not as much, because micro time's like 10:50, so, eh. Okay, let's go back to this time. Wednesday, 7:15 is where the time I want to go to. Okay, so here's the next one, and we're just gonna remove those drawings, and then just do our analysis. So on the daily time frame, we want to take a look at what it looks like for our bias. Okay, here we have the previous day high. So previous day high, PDH. And then we also have previous day close right here. I mean, it can help to take note of that. You don't have to, but I think that's also an important level. Previous day open? No, previous day close, PDC. Okay, and then of course this low right here, previous day low, PDL. Learning all the abbreviation, yes indeed. And then today we got this, today's low. Might as well just mark that out. Day low. Okay, now I guess we're just looking for some content. Doesn't have any fair value gap on the daily time frame. And we zoom out. This is gap right here, but what are the chances it's gonna come down there today, right? Let's go to a 4 hour to see what else. So here it marked out more previously closed, day low, a little more content in the 4 hour time frame. So already we can see with the 4 hour we have this fair value gap that's already been mitigated. So obviously it's telling me that the drawn liquidity might be heading for the upside. Where's that tool? I want to add it in here. This guy. So we're looking to go up here. Blue. Let's try changing this to an arrow. Yeah. I'll make that black actually. Pow. Beautiful. Okay. So now let's go down to our. So this is a very strong liquidity previous day high. I think that's what we would like to aim for. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Alright, same here. 1 hour also had a fair value gap. Tapped into it, respected. 1 hour. Oh, I didn't make one for it. FG. Save. FEG. Okay. Alright, so it looks like it took up this high as well. So it went up, but possible chance we might want to go up there too. Let's open the second window. So on this right hand side is MES. Let's look down to the 1 hour, right? Yep. Okay. So 1 hour has the fair value gap right here that hasn't been tapped into it, and actually that's equal lows for that. Well, the thing is, like, if NASDAQ tapped into it, you know, NASDAQ already took it, so ES doesn't have to. Could be a major point later on down the time frame. But alright, so far the bias is to go for longs. So now we go to the 15-minute on both. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Whew. Okay, 15-minute on both. Alright, so 15-minute, we don't have a fair value gap. No fair value gap. In fact, it took this out, right? Buy side liquidity. 15-minute, 15-minute. This is 1 hour. Okay. This also took out buy side liquidity. So is there any SMTs up here that we can spot? Looks like there is. Right here. Hasn't been taken yet. SMT. And this. Yep, line it up to here. SMTs. So pretty much this tells me that, you know, NQ might not tap into this area again for that buy side liquidity. BSL, which is also equal highs now. This one is pretty close to it too, so here's like another potential liquidity right here. So we have two equal highs that are pretty close. Alright, so I guess the next thing to do is wait for the next 15-minute candle to form, or we hop down to the 5-minute and take a look at what it does. Okay, so 5-minute has a fair value gap. And so does this one. Alright, so for me, we're gonna have to see what time is it. It's 9:10. Could possibly wait to see what happens during market open and stuff like that. 5-minute higher time frame FEG. And also I want to check out Forest Factory. So that was, when is this time frame? October 9th. Okay, so it's good to go back in time to see what happened on that day. October 9. October 9. It is a PPI day. JPY though. We have orange news at 10:30. FOMC speaks. Alright, I mean nothing really major. Those are yellow folders. Okay. So we want to see it tap into this guy. So we go down to the 1 minute. And we go here to the 1 minute. So we know there's a bigger S&T right there. Actually, is there like a fair value gap that we could spot up here? There isn't really. 1 hour. Tricky. So really none. Maybe a 5-minute, you know. 5-minute can count too. One right here. Okay. Boom. So that's the 5-minute. 5-minute higher time frame FEG. So that can work with this SMT, the bigger time frame. So let's look on this guy. If there is a 5-minute one, and yes, there is. Here. Oh. Man, I used to have to do this on my phone. That was a challenge, but I did pretty good. Okay, so yeah, alright. The same fair value gap, ES took it, wow, NQ didn't. So I guess my bias right now is to be changing for shorts, but we do need to see if there's a strong liquidity at the bottom now, you know, like I know where to go to the top, but now to the bottom, jeez. I guess the next thing to really consider is back on the 15-minute. Asia session lows, right? A London session low could be potential target. Overall, just looking at everything here, it's been going up. So do you think that? I mean, it could retrace down. Let's draw some lines here. Trend lines, helpful. They are helpful. And look at that. Lines up if it will. Okay. Let's trade this thing. Let's trade it. Maybe I should wait till the opening time. Market open. Gotta keep an eye on it. SMT's right there. I just want to be good at trading already. Okay. Candle moves. Tapped into the 5-minute. And doji. Okay. Actually, tapped into that 5-minute. Very nice, very nice. It took out that. So it's not, I don't think it's a SMT anymore. Nope. Also took out those equal highs. Jesus. Okay. And tapped into that. And that was pretty much my Toronto liquidity. Right? Oh no, previous day high is my target. Okay, so let's see. Do we have like a 918? Okay, so I tapped right there. Okay, I'm just keeping an eye on it. Those dojis are making me a little worrisome, and then we have got these tiny little SMTs from here Oh, come on. Where's my shortcuts not working? From here to here. Okay. Especially when... Alright. I think we're good to enter. I would say I'm pretty positive this is a good trade now. Enter for 5. Stop loss would be at the bottom of this. And target would be... I really don't want... I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way up there, you know? I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way up there. Cause like, what if this is manipulation too? I guess we'll find out, right? Alright, here we go. Unballistic goal. Maybe we could set a target for a 1 to 2 instead. Okay, so there we go. I don't think it has any reason to come back down here. Especially this fair value gap lines up here. Right? BPR? BPR. Balanced price range. Did I make one for that? I did not. But I'll just make it right. And then we'll call it BPR. Balanced price range. 1.85 to 2. Target to 2. 2 to 2. Okay. I mean, we don't know if it's going to make our way up to 2, right? Okay, here we go. Oh, dang. Ah, okay. That's a losing trade. God dang. Well, tough, man. It's tough. Okay. Trade 1. Let's try the next one. Alright, so SMT right here. Maybe because of the time that I'm trading in, it's 9:27. I think it's manipulation. Alright, so let's rethink this. So let's do that here. We got this big fair value gap that just got inverted. Right? So let's make this an IFVG. Invert. See what the next candle does. Next 2 candle actually. 1, 2. Alright, so it tapped into this guy. Oh, whoa, my god. The heck, ES? What you got? What's your problem, man? Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Okay. We do have a 15 fair value gap right here. Bullish 15. Uh, 15-minute high time frame fair value gap. Okay. Let's try this again. I think it's because it's before opening. You shouldn't really do that, right? Dang. Yeah, this is making a huge SMT right there already. Big tank though. I feel like this might be another opportunity right here. If it took out the buy side liquidity, then it might just tank to the bottom. So let's say this is an opportunity. It's 1 minute. And I'm gonna enter for sells. Put this above here. And then we're gonna aim for, so this is the 15 fair value gap. Hold on. Doesn't even have, oh, I mean, it does right here. Ah, yes, has equal lows. I think it's meant to tap back into that and then come back up. Okay. Well, wham. Let's see what it does. This is a 5-minute. Okay. I'm gonna put this. Aim for a 1 to 2. We want to be a 1 to 2. True position. possible chance maybe this is the next round of liquidity. Yeah, I'll just put it right there for now. Okay. Ooh, let's go. This is the 1 minute. Keep an eye on this guy. Alright, let's see how this plays. Ooh! Okay! Wait. Oh, I didn't move it. Well, wait. I'll take it. See if it actually... Yep. Alright. Good trade. What did I do? Alright, I think that's good. Okay. Next round of liquidity. So... Yeah, it's definitely looked a lot cleaner. NQ. Alright, let's see. Time to journal. Journal. Log 19, log 20. I'll do that off computer. But yeah. Let's go. I guess we can keep doing this. Like, that was pretty cool to see. I am curious to see what is this supposed to be doing. So the 4 hour, right? 4 hour manipulation. Oh well. Did not go up there. That was a wrong mentality or bias. So now where do you want to go? Where's your next target profit, huh? I am curious if I can see, if I can figure it out. Maybe it's the previous day low. Alright, let's see. Down to the 1 minute. Because we took out all the security. There's a bunch of liquidity down here. Whoa, there's a bunch of them. I feel like we can get maybe another opportunity in for a continuation, but ES hasn't taken it out. Alright, we have a buy side, sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity. Boom. Took it. Hey, what is that? And then ES looks beautiful. What is that? Okay, probably because of this SMT, right? We got the SMT, but we're so close to these equal lows on this guy. Why does not want to take it? You don't want to take it? Make screenshot in. I think it does. But I think it just needs to. We tap back into it and mitigate it for value gap. Never mind. No. I don't know. Okay, next candle. Wow. Whoa. Yes. You just. Oh, okay. We're heading up for that PD. Previous day highs. But we have another SMT, so I'm gonna be careful here. What time is this? 9:40. Alright, give me an entry. So we have a 1 minute fair value gap right here. Okay. And then tap. Shot right on through that SMT right here. And then this. No. Yeah, that don't look nice to me. It tapped here on the ES, so maybe ES is a little nicer to trade. Maybe. What does a 5 minute look like? Ugh. Yikes. 15 minute? Oh. Yo. I don't like those wicks. Indecisiveness. Okay. I'm just gonna do a mental trade. I don't want to take this trade in here, but let's say if I did this and put that right here. Target is what? What's target here? Do we even have a target? Liquidity. Ooh. Zoom. Ooh, previous day highs right there. I'm gonna use this tool. PD. Oh no. PD high. That way you can just see it on the screen the whole entire time. 1 minute. Oh, it's so close to it. There's no way it's gonna take that. It's going down. It's going down. Okay, next one. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. So we have another BPR, 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 and then we have a fair value gap right here. Pew. I'm gonna make this a right one. And let's see. I want to take a look at the 15-minute candle here. How lovely. Beautiful. Nothing, no fair value gap except for this part right here. Okay. That might want to shoot right through it or tap into it and pop back up, you know. But if it does, I think my next, let's take a look at the 1 hour target would be, I would have target 1 right there, yeah, and then target 2 with the 4 hour swing, the previous day low. Okay, see what it does. Man, if you only have this much time, pause before the market continues. But no, you have to think real fast. Look at this, another SMT. Interesting. Okay. SMT is good signal for early sign of reversal, you know? Alright, so look, it tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, no. Okay. Alright. Is it gonna tap back into here? And then compute? And then shoot down? And we'll see. Next. Alright. So we're past the 50% of that. Oh. Well, what do you know? This would have been a good trade for ES after all. Next. Okay. Let's see if it respects this fair value gap. If it respects it, then I'm gonna go for it. Targeting these equal highs now, right? Equal highs. We got some equal highs. Yeah. I do wanna just, I feel like this is a good trade right here. So below here, and then target equal highs right there. That looks like a nice trade. Boom, 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 boom. One was 1 to 2. Okay. No. Win 1, lose 2. Okay, I thought that was for sure. But it's crazy day. 10:59, 10:58. I didn't give it enough. I didn't give it enough. Alright, let's go back in. Bye. I didn't give enough stop loss. I'm gonna just put it right here now. And then back to those equal highs, baby. Back to those equal highs. There you go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, so the issue with this one, my stop loss is not low enough. It's never low enough. Never. Which is the most frustrating thing. I always know, I should always be below the previous ring, but well. So far, doing good today. Losses are quite low, wins are big. 1 to 3. That was another trade. Okay, so I'm gonna call it good for that AM session. 2 trades max. Now let's move on to the next day. But okay, I think that's good enough for this 30-minute episode. Hope you guys learned something. Bye. Good night.